Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll be talking about what is happening in the chart in these two cryptocurrencies and what could be the immediate trend or the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. Also, what could be the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. Alright, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, you can see that the price is trading below than this earlier support level of 22,600. So we call it a support level only because the closing price is still we need to see the closing price. The market is still open, so we can't be we can't get surety that okay, now the price has already breached this particular support area. So now what could be the thing, like one thing which is looking interesting here is that after this breakout of on that happened on 18th of July, after that particular day we can see that the price is somewhat falling, but that fall is not that much, it's not a very good fall. So yes, today the price is just trading below than 22,600. So what we need to see, we just need to see that where the today's closing price happened. If the today's closing price happens below than this level, we will definitely see that this breakout will be a false one, and again the price is coming back to the old same range of 22,600 as the resistance and 20,000 as the support. Okay, and if that doesn't happen, which is looking a little more probability, which is looking more possibility. Why? Because the price momentum is not much, and also if you look at here, you can see that the volumes are falling. So this is something which is which is technically giving me some kind of indication that okay, from here we might not expect much fall, and again we might able to see that the price will come back higher to 22,600. So this is something which is at a very crucial level today, and everything depends upon the closing of the today's candle or the today's price. Okay, now again I have told you, if the price closes below than this, you will just see the same old levels will be there, and if that doesn't happen, you will see that the price will still take a resistance at 25,800 and with a support of 22,600. So this is for the Bitcoin, and if you look at the Ethereum here, so almost the same situation is there, but one thing which looks good here, that the price is still trading below. I think it's falling by 4% today, but one thing is good here, that after this breakout, when the price was up by 18%, and from all those days, from past few days, we can see that the price is just taking a support at 1510. So now we can see that 1510 becomes a very important crucial support area, and if today's closing happens below, then that we will think what can happen, and if that doesn't happen, we will see that the price will again reach to 1725. So this is something you can look at here. Also, if you look at the possibility of getting getting a close below than this 1510, that looks little difficult here because of the less volume. So if something gonna happens, if there is a sharp falling or something, that's the different story, but otherwise we can expect that the price will either trade or either close at this particular 1510 level or maybe slightly higher than that, right? So this is something you can look at here, and overall that is something because of the lack of trading activity, because of now the people is going out from these two cryptocurrencies, that is the reason we are not getting much volumes, much price direction and lot of things. But yes, we can expect that in the upcoming days, in the maybe in the few more days or in the few more weeks, we will definitely get some more trading activity happen for these two cryptocurrencies. So if you are liking this video, please like it, click on the notification bell icon, also subscribe to the channel, so that you will get such kind of information as soon as possible. And so this is all from my side today, so thank you so much for watching us.